help me do it for a second because he's not going to sit still.
Mommy's videotaping it.
Get it on first. Let me get this on. No, this goes up the neck. This goes onto the belly. Put your ears in there. Come on, buddy. It's got a thing for ears. Oh, stop it, you big baby. Give me your ear. Look at his face.
You're not happy.
My little dinosaur.
Why do we do this to him?
Come on, Phil.
Phil, where's your ear? He's like, you're not getting my ear.
Get my ear in there. No, I will not put my ear in there. No, no ear. Where the hell is your ear? Stop putting it down.
Philippe. Oh, Phil. Oh, Phil.
Are you a dinosaur? Are you a dragon?
You're a dragon.
Are you a dragon?
Phil.
I want to back out of this.
Phil.
Can I back out of this? Your head's all messed up, buddy. You have a tail. You have two tails.
Two tails.
Hi, buddy. Why do you do this to me? Shit. Okay, you can watch. I don't think he realizes he's gonna like jump and around in it. I'm not looking at you.
He's in the fan cord.
Quickly we forget. Wait a minute. I'm still in this thing.